Hi, today we're going to be learning how to make an announcement in Seesaw. When you first log into your account, you'll see your main screen pop up. This is where any activities are placed, the student submissions, and you can learn about your students and what items they have in. Now, communicating with your class might be a struggle, but when saying it face to face, the students might not comprehend when an assignment is due, or they probably did not listen to a thing you simply said. So, when doing it digitally, the students can actually access this anytime and remind themselves when things are due or remember something that is going on in the class. So today we're going to learn how to make that announcement. What you're first going to do is click this inbox button. This will pop up to your inbox messages area. As you can see, I already have just a sample announcement, but we're going to learn how to make another one. So what you're going to do is click the add green plus button right here. It'll bring up three options: to post the student's work, assign an activity, or send an announcement to the entire class. So what we're going to do is just send an announcement. It'll then bounce you over to this screen, and it'll give you three options when you click send to: all students, family members, and all students and family members. So for today, we're just going to do the all students option. If you did have family members directly linked to the students, you can click these other two options. Now, if you do have a family member linked, especially for the parents and guardians, it'll send an email or text message out when there is an announcement or something was uploaded to the student's journal. So for today, let's just click on all students. And because I'm in a math class, we're going to remind the students when adding and subtracting fractions worksheet is due. Alright, so now that I have that typed up, you can add an attachment if you choose to. You can add a photo, a drawing, video, link, note, or just any other media you have from your computer. I usually like to upload a photo so that they remember which worksheet it is, especially if they don't have it, but for today, I am not going to do any of that. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to click Send Now. That's going to bounce you back over to your inbox message area. Here you can see you have the announcement down here, and it also gives you the option of who has seen the announcement. So then if you go over here real quick, it has family announcements and student announcements, and you can also go into private messages between you and family members. This will happen a lot, especially if you do have the family members and if they're confused about anything. You also can have any other notifications that will happen. So this is how you send an announcement in Seesaw.